If you hear my kids screaming in the background, it's because they are, and I've just accepted by now that that's just the way that it's gonna be. I'm finally gonna do a laundry room tour. I'm gonna do my laundry routine and also gonna help you guys with some organizational stuff at the end. If you're as impatient as me, I included chapters at the bottom so you can scroll through to the part that you're really interested in. I'm not here to waste your time, I'm here to help you. Anyways, 2 of the 10 commandments in the laundry Bible is to sort your laundry by color and to use a stain remover when you need. This is a small preview of my laundry room and also the products that I normally use. And I left the stain remover on my finger for too long and I fucking hate when that happens. People are always asking me why I use a shit ton of different products and I'll explain why. It's because I fucking want to. It's also because I take my laundry seriously, obviously, and I use specific products for specific types of loads. And if you're still using one detergent and one fabric softener, you're the one doing it right, okay? I'm the one complicating the whole fucking process. It's me. I'm the problem. Starting out, I use the infamous rice dispenser for my scent beads, and I usually never use more than a cup for my laundry loads because I feel like that's fucking insane. And the Woodlands Rain scent is top tier, so. This is just white vinegar. I use it for all of my whites so they stay nice and bright. I use the Laundry Day scent from Bath & Body Works, and I know it's unnecessary, but I don't care. These laundry detergent sheets are a complete game changer, and if you don't have them, then what are you really doing? I literally use every single product that the pink stuff comes out with, and this is not an ad, but I will stand by them for the rest of my life like the loyal soldier that I am. If your kids have sensitive skin, then those pods are what you need. I'm not really sure why I'm not sponsored by Laundry Sauce yet, and I take that really personally, but I am in fact obsessed with them. 2 words, bleach tablets. Look them up. Buy them. I really only use the dryer balls for decoration because I'm honestly convinced that they don't do shit anyway. Everything here is also linked in the description below so you can find it really easily. The pink stuff detergent and fabric softener is what I use for my everyday laundry. I'll use this laundry pre-treat for anything that has really heavy traffic like my kids' car seats or their play mats, changing tables they shit all over. The laundry sauce pods I will literally use on anything, but generally I'll use them with my towels or my bedding. Siberian pine and French saffron. I've tried just about all the scents and these 2 are definitely my favorite. I like to use the Siberian pine on my husband's clothes and then I like to use the French saffron on our sheets. If Laundry Sauce does not sponsor me, I swear to God. I don't know what's in this stain remover, but it should be illegal. We gotta save the planet. Use microfiber cloths. My husband built me this extra storage, which is pretty hot if you ask me. Why do I have so much extra? It's because I don't get out much. It's because I don't want to go to the grocery store, and it's because I can't stand if it doesn't look perfectly organized and it stresses me out. I don't know how YouTubers do this. I am literally barely halfway through this video and I'm fucking tired. Like, I am not built for this. I'm getting pretty fucking close to telling y'all to figure it out yourself. Anyways, let's just continue or else it's gonna be awkward for everybody involved. I recently had my husband custom build these shelves, and regardless of the aesthetic, this is literally the most functional area of my house. I haven't had to look for anything since it's been done, because if I had to dig underneath my sink for Windex one more time, I was gonna fucking lose it. So don't freak out, but I literally just realized that I used a detergent sheet and also put in the pink stuff detergent. So I used like double detergent and that's really fucking weird. So don't do that. And it's gonna affect absolutely nothing. But one time a girl commented on my TikTok video when I was restocking my laundry detergent and she said something like, oh, my pH could never. And I think about that a lot because it really gave me the ick that she even decided to share that with me. And for the record, my pH has literally never been bothered. Anyways, yeah, stop being so fucking weird on the internet. Thank you. I used those drawer organizers for my toddler's clothes, which makes it really easy for me to wake up in the morning and just grab them. As you can see, I literally don't hang anything because I couldn't find the time even if my life depended on it. Like if someone came up to me and they said, I will give you $1 million if you hang all of your kids' clothes, I would be like, great, I'm gonna be poor for the rest of my life. I just hang all of the stuff they don't wear so that it doesn't look empty, which is why it makes it extra important that their drawers are organized, because if I can't find them, they're not wearing them. And then they're gonna tear their diapers off and piss on my rug. This is a reminder to have cloth shower liners, because then you don't have to throw away the nasty ass, moldy plastic liners, and you could just get the cloth ones that you can throw in the washing machine every 2 weeks, and then they're gonna smell really good. And like I said, use white vinegar. It keeps your whites nice and bright, and it doesn't make your clothes or your towels or your bedding actually smell like white vinegar at the end. So don't worry. A lot of people like to comment on my videos and say that I'm so materialistic and blah 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 blah, I fucking suck, blah 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 blah, but here I am pulling all the clothes that I don't wear anymore and donating them, What a fucking concept. It was actually a viral video that's pinned on my TikTok right now, and people were going literally fucking nuts. So if you ever have the time and you want to be entertained and you don't follow me on TikTok, then go look at that video because it's like unhinged completely. My husband built me this custom closet also, and even if I had $10 million to have the biggest closet in the entire world, nothing will ever beat this closet. So I'm reorganizing all of my drawers, and this is my Panties and Thongs organizer, and honestly I just really like that I can just go in there and I can grab whatever I want. And I know it's like, oh well, why can't they just be loose in there? You can just grab them very easily. And it's like, well, what if you have completely different types of undies? What then? I cleaned a bunch of these drawers out, and I honestly didn't even have a plan of like what I was gonna do with them, but I ended up getting rid of the majority of the stuff that was in here anyways because I hadn't touched it in a long time. And I have this rule of if I haven't touched it in 6 months, then I need to get rid of it because I'm never gonna wear it. I never thought organizing my socks would ever be this convenient or save me so much time, but that's literally one of my favorite organizational tools in any of my drawers. And the best part of all of this is that it literally is so cheap. Like, these organizational dividers are so cheap. It also makes doing laundry so much better to me. Like, I actually look forward to being able to put them in the right spot and knowing that I have a place for everything. You can use them for anything. Like right here, I'm using them for my sports bras also. And then the black divider sets are used more for like PJ sets or shirts or shorts or anything that's kind of bigger that you need to fit in a drawer. If you're someone that needs to visualize things and you don't want things to be scattered around and you need some kind of motivation to do laundry and you want to have a place for everything, then having these dividers is honestly essential for you. Or for my ADHD girlies, trust me when I say this is really going to change the course of your task management if you find some kind of organizational tools that help you. Regardless of what it looks like, just find a system that works for you and eliminates stress, and hopefully some of these can help you also. Anyways, I may not have the strongest or best commentary in all of the YouTube land, but I don't know how to be anything else. So I hope you stick around and subscribe to my channel. You can also find me on other social platforms that are linked in my description. And maybe I'll get better at this. Probably not.